Meaning of gelignite.
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 Gelignite. Gelignite is a type of high explosive that was commonly used for construction and demolition work in the early 20th century. It is composed of nitroglycerin and a stabilizing agent, typically collodion or gelatin. When ignited, gelignite produces a powerful blast capable of breaking apart large structures or rock formations. However, its use declined with the advent of safer and more reliable explosives, such as dynamite. Today, gelignite is largely obsolete and is considered too dangerous to handle due to its sensitivity to heat, shock, and friction.